Hello and welcome to Itiski TV. My name is Ngulula Kungeo. I'm with Ubongane Mnisi and Khawkhelo Sibata. Thank you so much for joining us. Ininzi ke into eyenzekayo eMzantsi Afrika. Sithe sajonga kwelinye icala ngokubethwa kwethu kwindebe yamazwe yaseAfrika. Yavuka ekseni ibhakaniya lavuka lasixelela into balona lityikitye uAndre de Jong. Sabe siva futhi ngempukane zilihlaza kusithiwa hayi uPeter Mosimane ngathi ingxabano yakhe iphelile neMamelodi Sundowns kodwa ke zimpukane eziluhlaza ayonyani ncam sayibona kuba izawuhamba iphelelепhi mhlawumbe ezondaba zinemilenze emide zawude zifike kwabantu kufanele bazifika kuzo okanye mhlawumbe sawubona ireality leyo asazi kodwa ke namhlanje sithethi ngalolo sithethe ngabafana kuthiwa ke foreshadowing xa ithethwayo. I'm giving you an idea that in the next few weeks we'll be talking about these kind of news where Andrew de Jong has been signed by Orlando Pirates. On the other side, we've never even had this opportunity to talk about the fact that Gavin Hunt has joined Stellenbosch. And of course, that means that Steve Barker is no longer with Stellenbosch. And of course, Cape Town City has signed Zenan Zaimovic or something, former striker of ETS Galaxy, and the Miguel team. So there's a lot of things that are happening. Sundowns has signed a striker as well from South America, as they always do. So there's a lot of things that are happening. But of course, in this video, we want to focus totally on Bafana Bafana. How do we feel about it? How does the feeling look or feel like this morning after Bafana Bafana have been knocked out of the African Cup of Nations? Bobsit, thank you so much, sir, for joining us as well. Yeah, it's long trips that you have to make to Joburg. The last time we saw you was 7-8 hours ago. You are here again. How was it driving that car emotional after being knocked out of the African Cup of Nations?
Mr. Nkeo, yazi into engakutshela yona ukuthi sijwayele izinto esifanele kuya ngokuthi bo expecteni esikhathini esiningi uba disappointed ngendlela esi different.
Sure.
Uma ngabe bo expecte into enkulu kakhulu uzoba disappointed ngale ndlela, but uma ngabe bowazi ukuthi kungahle kwenzeka into efana nale, sometimes uzosiduduza ngokuthi no man bengikulindela into efana le ukuthi ngilindele ukuthi ngenzeka, but driving back to eMpumalanga, Mr. Nkeo, angambe kahle Mr. Nkeo, because it was raining, but inhliziyo isekutheni hey we are out.
You are disappointed in driving in the rain. I feel like I'm Michael Jackson. Yeah, as my performer, a musician, and trying to sort out your microphone. Much better. A lot has been said about the formation.
Yeah.
A lot has been said about that. But I think what we were lucky in that Cameroon made a mistake with their formation. Yes, for Meluguti, we looked like we're dominant because I think the idea it was to obviously 5 defenders, try to see what they're going to do. Mara sabona ukuthi kune base, and we use that opportunity with those spaces, with that formation. Do you look at that first 20 minutes and feel like this is where we let go of this game? Gula siye khona le game in the first 20 minutes, those opportunities.
Mr. Nkeo, ngibulise uGawkhelo ngibulise nawe futhi.
Yes sir.
Ngakhohlwa lokubulisa namajita la khona. Yazini Mr. Nkeo, ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-game plan yaka coach le lineup ayilethile for mina ngiyacabanga be right, but beyidinga ukuthi sisebenzise lama chances esiwatholile ku the first 20 minutes. Angisho igame win ngale 90 minutes. La khona uthola ichance yokuthi win igame. Punish them. Njengoba ngisho ngithi ichance esitholayo siyabaphanisha, then sifocus ekutheni manje sifuna ukudlala the way ucoach afuna sidlale ngakhona. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi the way bekalethela ama defender wakhe ngakhona beka rely too much kuma wing back wethu ukuthi yiwo kumele ukuthi asinikeze something going forward. Unfortunately uSeyila ku final third, he's not good uma ngaba fika final third. Ngaphandle nje kwe cutback azoyenza mhlawumbe la khona unumber 10 or number 88 ivela ngakhona or striker si dropile sibuyile. So ku left ubheke umdlalo ofana no ukabini uma ungambheka utholakele space ine right njengoba ngisho, but i-end product yakhe ayizange ibe kahle. Kusho kona ukuthi the game plan be right, but failing to convert lama chances watholile ngendlela sesisithola Spanish the way Spanish ngakhona. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi uHugo Prosper ayiplan right ukuletha le 5 defenders ayilethile because kukhona lokho akuanalyzeile ngeCameroon the way ngimbona enze ngakhona, so that bekafuna sidlale too much wide kunokuthi sivumele laba badlali beCameroon ukuthi kube yibo abadominate ngeball position. But unfortunately Mr. Nkeo, njengoba ngisho ngithi failing to convert ama chances, ama results abakanje, and uzogcina ubone ngathi the system bekayilethile ibe system mhlambe ipattern engazange ibe right. But uma ungathi uyayibheka futhi kulelinye side ukuthi yena kwayena kuba nama late substitute kulethela lemiphumelo, because if ngihluleka lokho sidlala ngama 15 minutes sometimes ngidlala 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. If ngihluleke la kumele lama phases afana nala kumele wasebenzise. If ubona ukuthi okay lento engifuna ukuyenza manje siyasebenza njengoba ubona coach weCameroon respond bekumele yena azamile ukwenza lawo ma substitute early.
Yeah, and I think even the substitutes as well, let's get into that, because I'm sure South Africans are complaining now about keep attacker, but you have 5 defenders.
Yeah.
And you are 2-0 down. Maybe the best substitute to make there is to have 4 defenders, sacrifice one of them to put one more attacker. But the coach was still more obsessed about the control, the framework, we must not suffer more. But we were already 2-0 down at that point.
I understand Mr. Nkeo njengoba ahlonipha isikhathi ahlonipha ama substitute coach Hugo Bros, but uma ungabheka bakhona abadlali kumele mina kuya ngami Mr. Nkeo uKabini bengizomdonsa ngilethe umdlalo ofana nayo Aubrey because usinikeza something. Ubonile ku final third ukuthi wenzeni bheka le goal yakangwanasisi ucreateile and ulethile amanye ama cross uAubrey, so kusho kona ukuthi besileka going forward. Then kule 2 center back, which means manje unongezana unomdlalo ofana no Sibisi, you can take one out then udrop umdlalo ofana no Obas ngicela uhlale because manje asadingi more kuyaphambili angisho ukuthi ebzu khona phambi kwakhe, then ngizoba na 3 rest defense. Yes, ngiya understand ukuthi akumelanga silose le shape ukuthi ekugcineni basiphanishe, but it's a knockout
if you're out,
game.
you're
So
out.
if you're out, you're out. You rather score is amagoli amaningi than ukuthi ngiyohlala nama defender amaningi ngingakhoni ukuyo equalizer Mr. Nkeu. Mina ngicabanga ukuthi ngaba mlethu Obas akhiphe the one center back waletha more attack because abadlali abafana nabo apolice nabo really. I don't think if ufuna creativity ungadonsa abadlali abafana nalaba Mr. Nkeu. Kunalakho nomelo risk because individual brilliant they can give you noma ngabe yini noma ngabe isiphi isikhathi abadlali abafana nabo really nabo apolice, but uma uyodonsa labo badlali nge-creativity kusho ukuthi urelaya kuphi kuma long ball and uma ulilaya kulama route 1 unani eboxini unabo badlali in numbers abakhona computer ku contesta kuma areas ball na. The answer is no. Why ungezinabo? Because sinabadlali aba skillful, this guy is physically ba strong, so asebenzele abadlali badlalele next to the box, anything can happen. We can also win ama fouls, sithola ama set piece la khona sinabo Tebza sinabo Aubrey sinabadlali abafana nabo Mbokazi ukuthatha lawo ma set piece. So that maybe option ebengona ukuthi kumele siyenze, because mina if ngu 2-0 down Mr. Nkeu I will go more good attack so that ngiforce defender ukuthi opponent ibuyele izo defender more, and the more bafuna defender in numbers my mistake bazoyenza boxing.
Yeah, that game was there for the taking for us.
Yeah.
We could have won that game,
Yeah.
especially in the first 20 minutes. I think that the mistake that Cameroon made this game interesting. Because I think that ingqondo yethu nenhloso yethu to play 5 defenders was to defend. Mari game yasivuma ekuqaleni and then we ended up attacking, especially in Kabini. It was an interesting surprise attack or a weapon. It's a pity ukuthi Uye and is a defender. We can't blame that player.
Yeah.
He's a natural defender. If it was Aubrey Modiba, they would have suffered on the other side. Maybe if they saw Aubrey Modiba na Babanba Cameroon on the starting lineup, maybe they would have respected more. Uguti, no, this one is an attacking player, an attacking fullback. There is an opinion about the decline of Sundowns. Sundowns not being the best and affecting Bafana Bafana. Of course, this is not conspiracy. I'm very careful about how I treat Ibafana Bafana and the Sundowns and the Pirates, no Rulani. I'm very careful about how I treat that, because I know that easily it can be a discussion in social media. You know, Pirates, Ibafana Bafana, Sundowns. We have to be very careful about that. But also we have to be responsible about analyzing. In the last African Cup of Nations, there are 9 players in the starting lineup, Bafana Bafana, easily, and on the bench, Tapula Masego, even Opesita was still a Sundowns product, really, if you think about him, which makes more than 11 players, Bafana Bafana. This time around, it's not about not picking Sundowns players, but it's about Sundowns being in decline now. That's why, of course, there's a complaints about Katoso must go and so on. Do you agree with that opinion, Uguti? The more this one declined, it was always going to affect the other one.
Yeah, Mr. Nkeu, uyabona uma uza kuleyo lento ikabili, because okokuqala kumele sibheke ukuthi okay, labadlali bekade badlala kuleya team yeMamelodi Sundowns kuBafana Bafana bangaki njengoba usho ukuthi I think 9 players.
At some point there would be 9.
Sometimes Yeah, I understand.
excluding Upesi Tau.
Upesi
And
Tau.
if you count Upesi Tau as a Sundowns product,
Yeah.
it's like 10 players.
I think uma uyibheka the way uyibheka ngakhona Mr Nkeu ukuthi kubhekwe lento ukuthi Sundowns wonke ama season I think 8 ama season baloko ba compete ku African football. So lokho kwenza ukuthi abadlali psychologically ba ready for ama game afana nalawo because they understand the stage yokudlala lapho ukuthi nabadlali abadlala nabo abanye bakhona abadlali abaloko ba busy badlala nabo kule competition. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi ingalendlela leyo but uphinde futhi ubheke ukuthi labadlali abasele the likes of Abothapelo Mrena I think kule balance le squad se national team sometimes you need abadlali abafana nabo because uma ungabheki right back yethu bengekho balance kubafana bafana if Sailor is not giving you something ubani I right back engakunikeza something ufuna ukuthi replace ngayo kumdlalo ofana no Sailor uzokunikeza something which is Thapelo Mrena.
I think the obvious one as well, Bobsit,
Yeah.
is Ikram Reyners.
Exactly.
Kuma qualifiers, the fact
Yeah.
that he would score goals in the qualifiers for Bafana, and then suddenly he was not in the squad, Belago waiting team.
Yeah.
I could not understand that.
Yeah, because nginokuzwa ama reason sometimes we selection but no it's because of mdlali uku injure but ngimangele ngimbona adlala ku Sundowns.
Yeah, in the few
I
matches
think
before
eBotswana, yeah.
In the few matches before AFCON, he was
Yes.
playing for Sundowns.
Yes, udlalile but u-injured. Kunabanye abadlali ungaya nabo ba injured Mr Nkeu kulama game afana nalawo.
Yeah.
Look at Umvala. Umvala last AFCON beka ne groin. Ucoach wachaza ukuthi une groin but ngizohamba naye. Khona ama game azowadlala. And he played well Umvala. So yacabanga ukuthi kunabanye abadlali indaba yama injuries. Uyahamba nomdlali sometimes to motivate labo badlali labo kuba khona. The likes of abona boThemba Zwane. Uyabona ukuthi banayo lento ebenchini. Okay, uKampbell angatshela uTebs ukuthini ebenchini. Yes, uKampbell akayi kuyodlala. Ubadlala abafana nabo Smith abayi bayodlala.
Yeah, no, they were there to gain experience, and we can't blame those kids.
Yeah, understand.
But you still have to select Abu Temba, Abu Ikram.
And le competition le mina kuya ngami i-competition ekumele ukuthi ngabe siyawina i-AFCON. Why ungabathathu uye nabo ku World Cup so that they gain experience because you know ukuthi World Cup angeke uyiwine. Take them to World Cup then lapho ngilangizosho ngithi bazogain experience babona balena something ku World Cup because you can't say uhamba nabo ukuthi sizoyiwina World Cup. Now I'm sorry to say this mara the ways dala ngakhona Mr Nkeu liqiniso ukuthi sikude nokuthi singawina World Cup. So but kule stage esikuso se AFCON yila kumele siwine khona. Take players abazofika bakulwele siwine AFCON. Unlike ukuthi uthatha abadlali uthi mhlambe because bazogain experience. Yes ngiyavuma abo coach phela ngifuna ukutshela Mr Nkeu bonke abo coach angazi mhlambe banalento bane pride. Kunalento ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi abanye abadlali kube yimi the first coach engibabizile ku national team. Ukuthi ngazi noma udlala ngithi I'm the one engabona lo yamfana ukuthi ngimlethela ku national team. Banayo lento. It's like namanje uma ngabe uthola i-team yawina bakucashe kuleyo team. Ufuna ukchange everything because umamela abantu mabakutshela ukuthi this is not your team. You must build your own team.
Yeah.
So ufuna ukchange everything because ufuna kuba nento ezobizwa ukuthi lenge yakho.
Let's explore le ndaba ye Sundowns nokudecline kwayo.
Okay, Mr. Nkeu.
So of course, yes, I'm mentioning Sundowns players who are decent,
Yeah.
who deserve to be there. Ikram Reyners, that's a hill I'm willing to die on. I would drag him to there because he helped us even the World Cup qualifiers. Mara, do you agree that Sundowns was in decline that to a point where some of them didn't deserve to be picked?
I agree Mr. Nkeu. Just that ngoba liqiniso libhlungu. I understand ukuthi each and every team kumele ifake isandla especially kubafana ngama players
If they're good.
if baba good but uma ungabheka isikhathi asibi khona kuma preparation ama game afana nalawo sometimes coach Hugo Bros udinga lokho kuzomsebenzela i group of players laba bane understanding so ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengoba ibeka ngakhona Mr Nkeu ngivumelana nawe noLindo izolo ngivumelane naye wayebeka ngakhona ukuthi sometimes ukudropa kwayi Sundowns lokho angeke sikubalekele kuyi-affectile bafana ukudropa kwe-Sundowns kuyikhawadile because uma ungabheka lot of players abangakaze badlale bangathola nge-game time ku-Sundowns abanye babuya kuma-injuries bekumele ukubadlale kumele ngabe bakhona kuleya team bafana and nako lokho ukudlala nabadlala ba-understand kuba lula for bona they understand each other from ku-team
Yeah.
ba-understandana labo badlali labo so ngiyacabanga ukuthi nakho lokho Mr Nkeu ubeka iphuzu elibalulekile ukuthi i-Sundowns ukudropa kwayo kusifakile isandla ku-national team.
Yeah, because if you talk about Utapelo Morena, we love him. He's a good player. But you can't say that he's been the best right back at Sundowns.
Yes.
If you look at Ukran Kekana, Nah, yeah, we respect him. He's been good in the last AFCON, but you can't say that he's been the best centre back with Sundowns and other players. But Ikram Reyners has actually been the best. Like, there's no argument about whether or not he's been good. He's been very good, top goal scorer and so on and so forth. Themba Zwane, I would drag him to there anyways for the fact that he's a legend and he can actually outplay the midfield, the opposition team, because most of the time he can come in there even if he's half injured and he will demand the players to play. And that's one of the things that we were missing at that. I want to ask you something very important, and I want you to think about it. Utebza has been playing football since he was 16, 17, consistently. Under 20 South Africa, Olympics South Africa, SuperSport United, they went to the final of the Confederations Cup. SuperSport United, they would win trophies, MTN 8. Debza has been carrying teams since he was a child. Mamelodi Sundowns, finals of the CAF Champions League. Bafana semi-finals of the CAF Champions League. I think that Utebza, for his age, if you look at the amount of football that he's played in the last 5 years, he needs a gap of 2 months of no football. 1 month or 2 months of no football. I understand, Uguti, there was something to losing Coach Rulani, who was his favorite coach, even at an individual level, and coach will get the best out of him. But as you look at him, I wouldn't single him out. I love him. But I'm thinking of him, Uguti, what can we do to help him? And I think that if we can find a gap in the calendar, I know that you're chasing Pirates for a league title, you are chasing a CAF Champions League, so in the calendar, and a World Cup, in the calendar, there's no space. I think between now and the 20th, or maybe the first 2 weeks of Ukvula League, go Betway Premiership, if we can find 30 days of him, no football, nothing, maybe that could help him. Because if you think about his career, since he was under 20, national team player, an important player for his SuperSport United, I don't think he's had a long break. And maybe that's one of the factors of why Ula Utebza, but maybe Utrope not to drop it to here. It went from here to maybe here, maybe because of how much football he's had to play. It's important for a national team, important for Sundowns, important for SuperSport, important for our Olympics team. He's been important for every team that he's played for, and maybe he needs a break. Agree or disagree?
Mr. Nkyo, ngiyacabanga ukuthi into ozama ukuyisho ukuthi udinga ihanga manje. Akasayilambele le ball uTebza manje.
I think he's hungry.
Yeah.
I think my argument is that maybe he's tired. You've been a professional player since you were 17. By the time, that's why about Wayne Rooney by retirement at 32. Because Wayne Rooney scored a hat-trick in the Champions League for Manchester United when he was 16. England when he was 17, 18 with national team. That's why even about Michael Owen, when they're 18, by the time they're 25, if you've been playing consistently since you were a child.
Yeah, because sike saba nabo abadlali isikhathi eside Mr. Nkyo, and bakunikeza lento abanikeza like the likes of Abathompo Kekane. They used to play amagame amaningi. Look at Orlando ubheka abadlali bafana nabo Ronaldo nabo Messi. Kuya ngokuthi abo coach bakwazi ukumanage kanjani. Kunama game la ubona ukuthi akunasidingo sokuthi ungamsebenzisa. Already mhlawumbe udlala ama qualify, already qualified. Why kumele ubiza aboTebza abazodlala? You remember when ibafana already qualified ku AFCON. AboTebza abadlala eCape Town. Unganasidingo ukuthi udlalelana uTebza because qualified. Give them a rest. Ba rest kancane labo badlali njengoba usho. Sometimes uma umdlali udinga i rest Mr. Nkyo ukuthi uma ubuye una le hanga uma ufika egamini. But uma uzohlala always uyadlala week in week out ngiya understand laba badlali because aboTebza khumbula ukuthi angeke ucompare abadlali base Orkani njengoba mention abo Ronaldo nalaba lama games abadlalayo because labadlali lawo amanye ama game kubo ilocally thina uyothola ukuthi utravel ku AFCON or travel ngapha ku CAF Champions League uhamba uyajoina ngama flight fatigue yakubamba yonke lento bona 2 hours
in Europe there's no flight that's more than 3 hours
exactly so uyabona ukuthi le fatigue namanje uma ungathi uyabheka sometimes kumanager njengoba ngisho kwa coach kulabo badlali uyothola ukuthi umdlali uya drive I distance before ayejimini wenza aka driver izinto ezifana nalezo so ngiyacabanga ukuthi uTebza njengoba usho I rest uyayidinga Mr. Nkyo singabona something more kuTebza uma ngabe azofika but khumbula ukuthi I team yakhe iyamdinga
that's why I was mentioning that you are fighting Pirates for the league uzongena ku Champions League crucial stages of the Champions League so for Sundowns the football club and the fans they can't not play him but somewhere in the calendar yabona manje we've already qualified for a World Cup
yeah
and in the next few months Bafana Bafana will probably be playing friendly matches because I don't think there's other qualifiers. This is where you have the conversation with the coach of Bafana Bafana and the coach of Sundowns or important people at Sundowns to say, look, can you give this guy a rest? Because maybe as Sundowns, you can't afford to rest him. We are out of the AFCON. The next game that we're going to be playing in South African football, Betway, is the 20th.
Yeah.
At least he'll have 15 days to rest. Give him that time. Give him 30 days. Because I think that's one of the most important players in South African football currently, Utebza. It's the same with Utemba Zwane, that if we needed him for a World Cup, if we need him, I think that we're going to need him for a World Cup. It will be his last tournament. Then use him ngendlela enengqondo as you use him. Oh no, Sundowns, we know that you chasing parades, but if asifuna aphuke umshisho, then play him less than 20 matches between now and June. And then you have to communicate with the national team for that.
And then into right Mr. Nkeole, but the problem ukuthi nabo labaqeqeshi mangathi ayibheka but too much ku social media kakhulu. Balalela lento abantu abayikhulumayo. Uma ungathi uyayibheka into efana naka Mshishi. Ucoach Rulani washo ukuthi umshishi akusasemdlalo ukuthi ungamdlalisa ama minutes amaningi because ukuze ukuthi umthole kuwo wonke lama game give him ama minutes amancane unlike umsebenzise ku game e1 bese uyalimala uyomthola lapho umunye umshishi because he's a special player njengoba yena bekamchaza ngakhona but when Cardoso says something to say kumele umrest lo mdlali ibonakala kwangathi mhlawumbe akafuni ukumdlalisa so abadlali abafana nalapha badinga ukuthi bamanage Mr. K ukumanage abadlali kubaleka kakhulu because kumele ucabange ngade next match ukuthi lo mdlali uzomdinga yini na njengamanje njengoba usho Utebza it's not easy for iSundowns ukuthi ingafuna ukumluza kulama game ewadlalayo but uzothini bazokutshela isosha kumele lifele empini so uyabona ukuthi ekugcineni umdlalo ufana noTebza kumele vele asebenze kanzima Mr. Nkewu and nakhona ungambeka uthi ufuna ukumresta for 30 days kumele ummanage also kuleyo 30 days ukuthi udla kahle yini na we understand because ungamthatha uthi uyamresta for 30 days abiyela gain mhlawumbe 4 or 5 kilogram lo mdlalo mafika la mhlawumbe angasabi lo mdlalo bokucabanga ukuthi uye because ukuresta nakhona abanye abadlali baba rusty but uTebza uyambona ukuthi udinga ukuthi umreste but ummanage nanoma umresta kuya ngema games ukuthi okay ngimdlalisa kanje ngimdlalisi kanje so ngiyacabanga ukuthi nayo leyo ngamnceda ukuthi abuye futhi uTebza abe hanga abe aggressive the way because now uyambona iform yakhe yehlile but uku level yabanye abadlali abako on form we understand so kusho kona ukuthi uma ungamnikeza nje leyo rest kancane kancane uzobuya pick up Mr. Nkewu abiyele la uTebza simaza khona
definitely let's wrap it up Bobsit. How does Bafana look at this? We are out of the African Cup of Nations very early. I think that this is where we belong. Last 16 or quarterfinals. The country thinks different, of course. They want to win the African Cup of Nations. How do we reflect on this? And does it affect Hugo Broos going to a World Cup? Do you think Safa would look at him and think, we liability, we're not going with Hugo World Cup?
Yeah, I think umsebenzi wakhe usase safe Mr. Nkewu. For the fact ukuthi Hugo Broos is the only coach okwazi ukuthi a qualify iBafana Bafana kuwo wonke lama competition. Umsebenzi wakhe ngobona usase safe but yena uzoba frustrated ku selection. Because now kumele ubheke i-consistent yabadlali. Phela ukwenza selection yeBafana Bafana kunzima kunabadlali abadlala orkant. Kumele ukuthi labo badlali labo ubabheke. Ubheke ukuthi nabazosutha ku style of play. Kunabadlali abadlala la ekhaya. Bakunikeza i-performance week in week out. Abanye bakhona ukunikeza i-performance 3-4 games. But ngapha bakutshela ukuthi umbonile ubani wenzani sicela ukuthi at least umnikeze i-chance so kuzoba nzima for yena but ngiyacabanga ukuthi manje kumele athathe i-decision afuna ukuyithatha abheke abadlali acabanga ukuthi bazowenzela umsebenzi ube right not because of uMr. Nkewu uthini uBobo uthini nge-selection yakhe lokho kuzomnceda but
do you think he will change in terms of being a defensive coach? Because I think last AFCON for me he proved to me that he's a defensive coach. That's why my expectations are not that high. Do you think he will ever change that to add a layer of attacking? I know that we scored because obviously by that time we were chasing the game, but naturally when you look at his starting lineup, 2 defensive midfielders, 5 defenders, do you think he will ever change being that type of coach?
You change, you add more defense World Cup. So you're defending at 8, I'm telling you. Then don't defend at 7 angeke because he's scared kulama team esiyodlala nawo. You're defending at 8, akutshela ukuthi I rather ngidlala i-draw. We defender ngenamba Mr. Nkewu. I'm telling you, uyothola i-wing back ne-full back kungama defenders. I'm telling you, uyothola thathe abadlali abafana noThapelo Mrena noSeila ku right. Mhlawumbe umthola thathe umdlalo ofana noMbokazi no Obra abadlala kulela side. I'm telling you, he's scared. Uko Pros mawungabheka kunamanye ama game une-fear ukuthi okay if ngakanje bangangipunish. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi World Cup uzo add more defense Mr Nkewu. And yila khona kumele ukuthi silethe labadlali abazosinikeza something, especially ngiyawathanda ama-dribbling wizard, uyagood nge-dribbling. So if sinabadlali mhlawumbe abazokwazi ukudribula labantu ababadribule Mr Nkewu, sibone ukuthi ini engayenzeka just because of bona bayasaba ukuluza ibhola Mr Nkewu. Abocoach abaningi bazokukountela ukuthi uluza ibhola kangaka, abafuni uluza ibhola, they rather bafuna ukulibona ulinoka ningamanini phasana, but ukuthi uzothatha ibhola uluze bazokutshela ukuthi uyawaster. So bayasaba ukuletha abadlali abadribblayo because it's easy ukuluza ibhola uma ngabe udribula. But mina ngicabanga ukuthi ukuchange kwakhe uyoba more defensive ku-World Cup Mr Nkewu.
There you go. Thank you very much, Bob said. We're going to have a tough American World Cup. Or, if we're lucky, because these expanded tournaments, of course, all you need to do is just win one game and then pray to be one of the best number threes. So if we can find a way to do that and maybe manipulate our way to a draw in one of the games, maybe we'll find ourselves in the knockout. How do you feel about Bafana Bafana and this African Cup of Nations? Please let us know in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching Itiski TV. For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za.